And welcome back, everybody. My name is Mr. Owens. We are working in JavaScript edition of Ozaria, and we are on the episode in Chapter 4, Module 3, Vault Door. So we're right near the end. I think we may have one challenge level after this. So is. It's go time. All right, so we're so close. He's just beyond the gate. Watch out for those tank sheet time. Time to use the restore spell to get us through. So we have push and restore again. Okay. So we need to define a function that has two parameters. And let's take a look at what we've got going. So hero's going to have to move down two, right two. Down one, right one. Down one, right two. Okay, so mouse is going to move right two, down one, right one, down two, right two, down or over two, right two. Okay, so we need to have our right steps and our down steps, and that's going to be the same for both. So let's go. We need to define that. Tell the computer we're going to make a function. So it's going to have that, and we will name this. I guess push and restore. I'm just going to copy this. And then we need to name the variables that we will use in our function. You've seen this. This should be your first time writing this. So let's do we have two and two, so we can call them whatever we want. Let's do right steps, then down steps. Right step and comma down steps. Perfect. Closing that. Let's go ahead and add our function. I'm going to delete this. It's going to look prettier. Perfect. Okay. So we want to get hero in place first. So hero is going to go down. Okay, so hero. So let's go down steps, and then right steps. All right, and then we need mouse to do the exact opposite. So he's going to go right steps, and then he's going to go down. And we need to do mouse move down steps. And then let's close that up and just make sure that they're both getting into place. So hero should stop here and mouse should stop there. Perfect. Okay, good. It's never a bad idea to test a little bit, right? So then we're gonna have mouse bark. And then we should have our hero. So let's var enemy. Oopsie doopsie. Hit a button equals uh equals let's see target. So hero dot find nearest enemy, and then we're gonna cast time restore an enemy. Okay, perfect. That's exactly what I wanted that to do. So we can get rid of some of this extra space that's unnecessary, and we should get that first tension now. Okay, perfect. So if you've been paying attention, we can copy these. What numbers do we want to do? Give you a hint. We're going to move down and then right that many. What numbers? It's going to be ones, right? And then we should do it again. So if we stop from here, we're going to go, remember, right steps, then down steps. So right steps is going to be 2 and down steps is going to be 1. So if you got, the next one's going to be a 2, 1. Thanks for playing. You're doing a great job. If you didn't, you probably didn't pay attention that I did right steps first, not down steps. So that should get all of them. Hopefully you found this super useful. Good. Go ahead and give it a like if you did. Okay, perfect. So let's get mouse to the exit and then our hero to the exit. So mouse, let's use a little bit of white space here. It's going to look prettier. Cleaner code is never a bad thing to strive for. So mouse should move up and then dig up, because that's going to put mouse here and then there and then right. Now our hero should be able to move right two, and then we can have him jump up two. I don't think that actually works. I think that only works with the bunny. Yep. Of course, it only works with noodles. All right, and then we can have him move up. So he'll be here. One, two, three. Up, three. And mouse would go up, one. That should get, oh, yep, everything to the exit. If you found this helpful, go ahead and give it a like. If you have any comments or questions as to why I'm doing the things I do, I'll scroll up, because I think getting to the exit is not going to be as hard as writing this function. Remember that we add our parameters here, and they're just like variables. We're literally just going to pass information from our code there every time. And in this case, it has to be an integer, because move down and move right and move up, those don't, move down and move right have to have integers, positive integers. So that's part of how we're able to do this. So our hero's going to jump up, and then walk up. And mouse will walk up. That was the vault door. Thank you very much. If you've been following along, much appreciated. And you're doing great. One more challenge level and you're done. You should be very proud of yourself.